Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to answer the codes questions. Some of you who already know how to answer these questions, please try to do them. And then later on, you can tally your answers with my answers. So it will be a good way of, learning it. And some of you who don't know actually how to answer these questions, I'm just going to explain you. These type of questions, they are quite popular in GCS, at 11 plus exam. And sometimes they come after, in the psychometric test as well. So I think every student should know how to answer these questions. So I'm just going to start from the question number one. As you can say, they have given us A, B, C, all the alphabets up to Z, and we just have to find the code for the next last two letters in the code sequence, right? So as you can see here, if in question number one, it says G to G, obviously same, G to H, and then H is same. If you look at this, you see G G, H H, and then comes I, and then I. So I. So obviously the next one will be after I is J. So the next code in the first one will be J. Now we talk about the second one. It's from A to C. A to C is gap of 1. C to E is gap of 1. E to E to G is gap of 1. G to I is gap of 1. I to K is gap of 1. And K to L is gap of 1. Right? So it will be, the next number, you see here, I to M is gap of 1. Right? So second one is K, and then from K, the next letter is from K, the next letter is M here. So it will be M. So this is how, there was a gap of 1 in the previous letters. There was no gap at all. Now I'm going to explain you how to do the second one. Is Y to U, U to Q, Q to M. We have to see how the sequence is going. Y to Q, Y is here. You see Y to Q, Y to U, Y is here, and U here. One, two, three, four. Four letters backward. U to Q, one, two, three, four. Four letters backward. Q to M is one, two, three, four. Four letters backward. So obviously the next one will be four letters backward. So one, two, three, four. So it will be I. So the first letter in this number sequence is I. Now we have to find the second one. Second one, we can see how the sequence is going. Y to W, W to U. You see Y to W, second letter here, and then second letter here, W to U, and W and U to S. So it goes like Y to W for backward gap 1, then W to U is backward gap 1, U to M from U to S backward gap 1. From S, when we'll go backward gap 1, it will be Q here. So we can write Q. So this is how we find the second sequence. Now the third one, third question. F to H, F to H, we have to see how the sequence is going. F to H, H to J, J to L, L to N. We'll see, does it make any sense or no? You see, and we'll see how the sequence is going. F to H. F to H is forward gap of 1. H to J, forward gap of 1. J to L, forward gap of 1. L to N, forward gap of 1. And N to forward gap of 1 is P. Right? Now the next one, D, C, J, A, Z. Okay, D is here, C is just behind this. You see, and after C is B, which is just behind this. Then after B is A, which is just behind B. And after A is Z, which is just behind this. And Z to Y is here. PY. So this is how we answer these questions. Hope you all have answered them as well, and hope you understand it. If you still need any help, please write in the comment box, and remember to subscribe to this channel as I'm uploading videos every day. So these course questions, remember, these are very popular in the exam, especially in the 11 plus exam. So please remember them, and also subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon button as well. So thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.